natural resources. In this topic, we shall learn about what natural resources are and how we should conserve them. Students, do you all know what natural resources are? Are you all aware of it? How important role they play in our life? Today, let me tell you that nature has blessed us with a variety of natural resources. Soil, water, plant, forest, and minerals like coal and oil are called natural resources. Protection of natural resources is called conservation. Long time ago, man used to wander from place to place in search of food, clothing, and shelter. Slowly, he started using his intelligence and began to make use of plant, animal, and materials available in his surroundings. Let us study about natural resources and their conservation. Children, first we will study the most easily available natural resource, that is soil. Soil. Can you imagine this world without soil? Soil provides nourishment to plants, which in turn are fed up by animals and man. It is a house to many microorganisms that helps us in a way or other. The upper layer of Earth's surface is called soil. All types of plants and trees grow on the soil. It provides food for human beings as well as animals in the form of cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits. It also provides raw materials such as rubber, cotton, oilseeds and sugarcane for industries. Children, we should know that soil is found in different types which are used for various purposes. Soil is used in making bricks, which are used in construction of houses and buildings. Clay pot is made from soil. Multani soil is used for cosmetic purpose. Let us learn how soil conservation can be done. Growing more trees and plants is one of the best methods of soil conservation. The roots of the plant bind the soil. Children, do you all know why step farming is done in hilly areas? Step farming is preferred in hilly areas because the rainwater flows down with high speed, causing soil erosion. To reduce the speed of water flow, step farming is advisable in hilly areas. Children, now let us study how can we control water erosion. We can control water erosion by making strong embankment, strong boundary by the river side. By doing it, a river can stop erosion of soil by water. Now, that should give you a fair idea of conserving natural resource, soil. Let us study the next important resource, minerals. Do you all know from where do we get minerals? Minerals are the material we get from mines. They are found either inside or on the Earth's crust. Metals like iron, aluminium and copper are obtained from the specific ores. In our day-to-day life, we use many tools, machines and utensils. Aluminium or copper wires are used to carry electricity generated in power station to home. We get petrol, diesel, kerosene and natural gas from mineral oils. Conservation of minerals. We know that supply of natural resources is limited. They cannot last forever. So, we should use them very carefully. There should be no wastage. Renewable sources of energy like sun and wind should be tried to replace in places of natural resources. Let us know the importance of water as natural resource. How long do you think a person can live without water? It is very difficult for a person to live without water for more than 24 hours. That is why we say water is life. Children, we all know that in our day-to-day life, water is used for drinking, cooking and cleaning. Water plays very important role in the life of a farmer because we all know agriculture entirely depends on water. Some crops are irrigated, they are given water from dams, wells or rivers. Water is used for construction of industries and houses. Do you all know that electricity is generated from water? The electricity that is produced from water is called hydroelectricity. The power station is called hydroelectric or hydel power station. It is very important to note that in many parts of our country, drinking water is not available and people have to walk a few miles to get it. Hence, we should not waste even a drop of water as it is very precious. Careful and economic use of water is called water conservation. It can be done in following manner. Rain harvesting. Rainwater should be collected in tanks and stored in underwater reservoirs. This water can be used during dry season when there is shortage of water. Plant more trees. Forest helps in attracting rainfall. Try to make our city clean and green.